Hello everyone, today we are going to do enlargement. In transformation, when an object is enlarged, the size of the image will be either larger or smaller than the object. It depends on the scale factor. If the scale factor is greater than 1, say 2, the size of the image will be twice as big as the object. Instead, if the scale factor is between 0 and 1, say half, the size of the image will be half the size of the object. The center of enlargement is a point from where the distance to the object is multiplied by the scale factor. Let's take an example. Here, you are given a triangle ABC, and the question is, enlarge triangle ABC by a scale factor 3 and center 1, 1. Label the image A dash, B dash, C dash. So one method to draw the image is, we mark the center 1, 1, that's here. We take the distance from the center to the object. That distance can be taken as a column vector. The horizontal and vertical distance as we have taken in translation. Let's take the horizontal and vertical distance to the vertex A. From the center, 2 units horizontal and 1 unit vertical. So it's 2, 1. Let me write that 2, 1. The second point B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. It's taken from the center to the vertex B. 5, 1. The third point C, from the center, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's 3, 3. Multiply this by the given scale factor 3. So instead of taking each point separately, I am taking all the vectors together and multiplying by the scale factor 3. So when you multiply each and every number. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. Again 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we take this distance from the center of enlargement. So the first vector we have is 6, 3. Starting from the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 vertical. Mark the point. The second vector is 15, 3. Starting from the center of enlargement, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And vertical distance is 3, 1, 2, 3. So mark the second point. Third point has the vector 9, 9 from the center. Do remember, these are not the coordinates, but it's a vector from the center. In other words, the horizontal and vertical distance from the center. So this is the center here, 1, 1, and the vector is 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the third point. So let's mark the points as A dash, B dash, and C dash. By joining these 3 points, you get the image triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. So that's the image. So if you take the length of AB, the length of AB, the side AB is 1, 2, 3. You can find that the corresponding side on the image is 3 times larger than the object side AB. So 3 times 3 is 9. So let's see whether it's 9 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we say that the size of the image is 3 times larger than the size of the object. Let's take another example. There's a triangle given KLM, and the question is, enlarge triangle KLM by a scale factor -2 and center 9, 8. Label the image K-L-M'. So let's mark the center first. It's 9, 8. X coordinate is 9, Y coordinate is 8, and here is the center of enlargement. Let's take the vector and multiply by the scale factor -2. Let's see what happens when the scale factor is negative. The vector to the point K from the center, the vector is the horizontal and vertical distance. It's 1, 1, 2. So horizontal 1, vertical 2. The point L is 1 unit horizontal and 1 unit vertically down. So the vector is 1, -1. 1, -1. And the third point M, 1, 2, 3, 1. So it's 3, -1. 3, -1. We multiply these three vectors by the given scale factor -2. When you multiply, -2 times 1 is -2. -2 times 1 is again -2. -2 times 3 is -6. -2 times 2 is -4. -2 times -1 is +2. -2 times -1 is again +2. So these are the new vectors to the image from the center. So the first vector is -2, -4. So this is the center. -2 means it's to the left, and -4 means it's vertically down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the new position K'. The second vector is -2, +2. Starting from the center, 1, 2, it's -2, that's why it's towards the left. And vertical distance is +2, 1, 2. That's a point L'. And the third vector is -6, +2. -6, so it's to the left again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And +2, so it's vertically up. 1, 2. So that's the new position of M. We label it as M'. Let's join these 3 points. Now, if we take a side of the object, say LM, it's 2 units, and the corresponding side L'M' is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. That means the size of the image is twice as big as the object. So negative 2, the negative doesn't mean that the size becomes smaller. Instead, what you can notice is the object and the image are on opposite side, and you can also see that the orientation of the image is inverted. In other words, the image is inverted upside down. Whereas when the scale factor was positive earlier, when it was positive 3 in the previous question, you can see that the object and the image are on the same side of the object. Object is on the same side as the image, and the orientation of the object and the image are the same. There is no change. Whereas when the scale factor is negative, it's an inverted image that we get. That's it for today. We will see more about enlargement in the next class. Thank you.